Hey y'all!
Hi, my president's name is John Adams.
Hello! So this week's homework packet is all about Christmas because we're getting close. So your first activity is to read about Christmas in Hawaii. You want to 468 divided by 3. So I'm going to draw my box. I'm going to put my divisor over here. Remember, that's the one that's doing all the work. I'm going to draw my box.
I have several people that are already at 100 minutes. Lucy, Jerome, Sam, Jacob, and Reagan. And Kair, you're really close at 99 minutes. So keep encouraging each other. Remember, in order to get the prize, everyone has to meet the goal of 120 minutes. So make sure you don't click on that play button like I did, because that's a mistake. Now you're just going to watch here and your Google Earth will load. If you have trouble with it loading, then again, just follow along with mine and you can fill mine in. All right, so the first thing on our Where Am I is the My Continent. That is the largest. You should hear the I sound in each of them where the I is saying its name. But there might be a couple oddballs that actually fit into this group but don't actually have that I sound. So see if you can find those when you're working through this. All right, if you're watching this video, that means that you need to fix your math problems on the back of your Maryland brochure. So we're going to take a look at each of these, and you need to have a separate sheet of notebook paper because I wanted you to solve them along with me. You can then staple this page to your brochure and turn it back in so I know that you understand what you did wrong. All right, so I want you to look back at your map that is in your book, and we're going to go through each of the sites in case you did not get all of the notes yesterday. So for Greentown Farm. Hello. This is a video to remind you how to log into Flowcabulary and exactly what I want you to do. So when you get on, of course, your computer is not going to open automatically. Actually, I want you to make sure that you go through and that you've done all the activities. This is just a way to make sure that you've done everything that I expect of you. And then down here, I want you to answer this. Who do you think deserves a ticket today based on their behavior, and tell me why? And you're going to write one name only, and why. And then you're going to write, do you think that you deserve a ticket and why? Were you on task the whole time? Were you working quickly and quietly and doing your best effort? So if you believe you were, then you give yourself a yes and tell me, yes, Miss South, I did my very best, or whatever reason you think you deserve that ticket. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put this foldable together that we started cutting yesterday. So first, good morning. This is the spelling test for yellow group. Number 1, sold. So you should be able to access everything. If you have any problems, let Mrs. Messick know so she can message me so I can fix it. Have a good Friday, and I will see you guys on Monday.